Level up your workspace and save some cash, because today, we're diving into how you can claim money for a monitor purchase through Cognizant's employee benefits. First, let's talk eligibility generally. This benefit is available to all full-time Cognizant employees, however. Always double-check the specifics on your local Cognizant benefits portal, as policies can sometimes vary by region or role. This is your go-to source for the most up-to-date information. Now, for the exciting part, why you're finding the right monitor. Make sure the monitor's features and specifications meet the requirements of your role. Check the specifics on the benefits portal, but often professional equity monitors are covered. Note that things like the brand, size, and resolution are usually acceptable, but it depends on the policy, so review the requirements. Next up, gather the necessary documentation. This usually includes an itemized receipt from your monitor purchase, clearly showing the purchase date, model, and price. Keep both a proof of purchase and the monitor's specifications. Will also most likely need the Cognizant's benefits claim form. You can find it on the benefits portal as well. Then, submitting your claim. Log into your Cognizant benefits portal, look for the employee benefits or expense reimbursement section. Proceed to upload a copy of your receipt and the monitor specifications and complete the designated claim form, including all requested details like your employee ID and bank information for reimbursement. Reimbursement timelines do vary, but typically, you can expect to receive the funds within a few weeks. Track your claim status through the portal to see when it's approved and any further actions needed. Be patient as it takes some time and follow up on any issues. Here's a pro tip: keep all your documentation safe and organized for future reference. Also, read the fine print of the benefit. The most important thing about claiming expenses is to adhere to the guidelines. That's it. Now you can outfit your workstation and get reimbursed for your monitor expense.